Welcome to another episode of Kaizer Chiefs Uncut, where we bring you the real, raw, passionate Kaizer Chiefs coverage, man. As you see in the title of the video, good news and bad news, man. These are all concerning transfers, players coming in and players leaving, man. So, what should we start with, the good news or the bad news? Okay, let's do this. Let's start with the bad news, and then we can come back to the good news so we can share up a little bit later, man. First of all, bad news, man. We lost to our rivals, man. Orlando Pirates. We lost a player to Orlando Pirates, man. Masindi Nemtajela, man. Guy who plays for Marumo Kalans, attacking midfielder. Very, very good player, man, in my opinion. They call him John Wick. Yeah, very good dribbler when he plays there. Putuin. Yeah, he's a very good player, but I guess he chose Orlando Pirates over Kaizer Chiefs, man. Apparently, according to a reputable publication, Orlando Pirates have secured, so they're just waiting for the window to transfer window to open, and they will unveil him. And I don't know, man. Good luck to Orlando Pirates, man. But I guess that's bad news for Kaizer Chiefs, man, because we need another midfielder, man, because as you heard, Plum Njabulo has already gone back to the MLS, man. Well done. Congratulations. Thanks for coming back to Chiefs on loan, man. We always appreciate you for that, man. And you also know that Josh Matlo might be leaving Chiefs, man, at the end of the month when his contract expires. He made that appeal that he wants to stay, but I don't think he's gonna stay, man. The 26-year-old, he played 15 matches for Chiefs. He only contributed 2 assists. He didn't score any goals, man. And I hear Babina Noku are closely monitoring his situation, man. They want to put him on his books, man, on their books. Skukuni United, man. So yeah, that's bad news for us, man. Another player going. So I think that's the bad news, man. I don't want to go too much into bad news, man. We've had enough of those. But let's go to the good news, man. Since we missed out on those guys and those guys are leaving and stuff like that, man, we are making headway, man. Kaizer Chiefs are believed to be inquired about by Mamelodi Sundowns striker, man. His name is Itioso Igodaro. Igodaro is a Mamelodi Sundowns player, man. They call him from a club in Abuja, in Nigeria, man. Abuja College, a few years ago, man. I think 2022. But since then, he's always been on loan. First, he started his loan spell at Amatex Pretoria University, and at the end of the season, he was shipped to Chippa United. Had a season there too, and he had another season stint at SuperSport United. And this past season, he applied his trades at Amazulu. I think he did very well, man. I think he did very well at Amazulu. As you can see, he scored against Chiefs, scored against Pirates. I think that he would be a good addition. I don't know if Mamelodi Sundowns are gonna try to keep him now and add him to their squad. I don't know, but if they don't, we must scoop him, man. It's not the first time Chiefs are asking about this player, man. They've been asking about him before he went to SuperSport. They asked, Sundowns refused. Before he went to Amazon, the Chiefs asked. Hopefully this time, man. I think his contract is gonna be up soon, so hopefully Chiefs will get a striker, man. We definitely need a striker, man. Definitely need a striker. As you notice, there's a foreign-based striker I just mentioned, a Nigerian. Uh, good striker, man. 23-year-old Nigerian. I think he'd do well at Chiefs. Apparently, Chiefs are also chasing two Simba players, man. In Dennis Kibu, we already known, and now recently they're chasing Jean Charles Ahua. Ahua is a good player, man. I've seen him play, man. He's a very, very good player. 23-year-old Ivorian from Ivory Coast. He scored 3 goals and 2 assists in the CAF Confederations run. Simbas, when they uh, ended up in the final, couldn't win the thing, but they played very, very well, man. He scored a lot of goals, man. And I think he also scored 12 goals in the league and 7 assists. That's better than any numbers that Kaizer Chiefs strikers have had in a long time, man. I think we should try to inquire from Simba about Jean-Claude Ahua, man. Very, very good player, man. I think if you can get one or both of those guys in, even though you notice that both of them are foreign players, so that means we're gonna have to get rid of a few of our foreign-based players, man. I mean, foreign players in the Kaizer Chiefs team, and I don't know who. You guys, please, man, in the comment section, please let me know which guys you think should leave, as these guys should come in. These guys definitely should come in, man. And you guys are wonderful Amakosi fans, man. Are wonderful. Thanks for tuning in until here. Amakosi Uncut, Kaizer Chiefs Uncut, best coverage you could get for Kaizer Chiefs, man. Man, you can check out our sister channel, Tweezy, for more updates on other clubs and other sports, man. But this is strictly for Kaizer Chiefs fans. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time we drop one video, man. We're gonna try to drop a video once a week for you guys, man, to make sure that you stay updated. As you know, at the end of June, Kaizer Chiefs will be leaving for that. They'll be leaving the country to go to this off-season, pre-season training camp somewhere in Europe. I don't know where they'll be going. And I also heard that Bruce Bavuma, he pulled out from the team, from the Kosapa team. I don't know what's up with that. Maybe I don't know, man. I'll try to find out for you, man. We'll try to drop a video all the time. Once we hear any news, we'll let you know. But for now, Amakosi, Ningapheli moya, Kosi alpheli moya. Love and peace. We out.